guys, welcome back to the channel, to Miss Tish TV. You guys, so I just finished unboxing this makeup organizer that I did in my previous video, so I still kind of got it out. And if you wanted to know what's in this box, check the previous video to this one. So next, you guys, I'm getting ready to unbox this wig canvas and the wig stand holder, you guys. I need it for the few wigs that I have, okay? So I want to be, when I come back on here and I'm doing my wigs, you guys, I want to be a little bit more professional, you know what I'm saying? So hey, okay, so I have ordered this Wig Head canvas, is what they call it. I think it's called the blockhead style. And you guys, very reasonable price. It was like around $25. And I got the size 22.5 because that is my wig cap size, or wig size for my wigs. So it looks like this. They said that this is a new improved version for underneath here as far as being able to fit on wig stands. They did something different with how they construct this part, engineered this. I'll leave the link below. But hey, and then it comes with, okay, so they gave you a little brochure about, it's called a canvas blockhead, so I was right. You guys, you can get it in black if you want. So I want to see what I'm doing, so I got it in the cream. So yeah, you guys, so they even showing you how to measure, okay? Measure for the right size. So anyway, that's cool. It's a little instruction booklet. And you guys, what I really like is that it comes with the pins. You don't have to worry about buying the wig pins. So you know how you put in your wig on the canvas and you don't want the wig to fall off the canvas, so you got these clips or these pins that they that you can use for that. So all right, so these little pins look like this, you guys, okay? You get, I think you get like, I think it was 10 or I think it's like 10 or 15 of them that you get, so that's cool. It came with it. Because you know how when you're buying stuff and then they got down below on Amazon what people frequently buy. So this came as a little package deal, and then this is the hardware that I'm gonna have to put together so that it will fit on the stand, I believe. You know what I'm thinking, you guys? Anyway, let's get into the other box, okay? Ooh, I'm gonna show my address, y'all. Okay, so this is the box for the wig stand. Okay, guys, so comes in a nice bag so you can travel with it, okay? Oh, you guys, I got pins with the blockhead, right? I ordered the stand, right? And they gave me more pins. This stand was like, I want to say $30. I'll leave the link below. So you guys, this right here is for weaving. You know, like how you're weaving, I don't know, the tracks. That's what I'm trying to say. And then you got your stick pins over here. So that's cool. That came with it. So they look out for their customers, okay? This seller. What is this? Okay, so this is the wig stand right here. Look, it's got the clamps and everything on it. So you can adjust the height. So I want to make sure everything is fitting. Very easy. I'm just curious, but why we got all this going on for the canvas? Let's see. Let me see if I could just put it right on there. Let me see. Yep, very easy. I don't know why they gave me that. I'm gonna have to look through my. I don't know what this is for. Maybe this is so it can fit on other. Okay, guys. So what I really like about this is it has these little feet at the bottom. So say if you're on a hardwood floor, this is not going to slide, okay? Look at that. So that's why I really like it. And you can put it on carpet, of course. So I really like that. And it's got 3 of these clamps so you can adjust the height. And I will be right back to show you what it looks like with one of my wigs. Okay, you guys. So, you guys, this stand is well made, okay? It's well made. It's worth your money. It's really good. This is not, you know how you feel stuff and you say, okay, that's cheaply made because it's plastic. This is plastic, but it's well crafted. So it's definitely, if you're going into cosmetology school and you need a stand and it don't come with your kit, you guys buy this stand. I'm telling you. Okay, now I have my wig on, and look, I can make myself a wig if I want. You can adjust. Let me see. You can adjust the stand like when you're in beauty school. You know how you need to tilt the head and all that. It tilts forward, tilts backwards, tilts. Okay, it's really well made. Okay. I love this. Yeah, makes me want to go back to school, okay? Okay. I don't know. It's got like this little hook underneath there, but you guys get the gist. But yeah, it's well made, and like I was saying, those pins. You take those little stick pins and put it right in. If you need to, you know, these pins it's there to help you. So say if you're gonna cut your lace and so the wig don't fall off the head. Y'all get it, okay? I'm telling you, get it. It had high reviews. That's another reason why I bought it. You can turn it too, of course. Backwards, forwards, sideways, and turn. Okay, so you know like how if you're in beauty school and you know how your instructor is gonna come around and check your work, you'd be like, who gonna check me, boo? Okay. Okay. She is luxurious, okay. Bam, okay. Bam. Okay, check me, boo. Check me, okay? Check me. Slaying all day, okay? Bye. Thank you for watching the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, y'all.